You join me today in Deppers Bridge to show you around this beautiful 5-bedroom family home. Set over 3 floors, it offers just over 2,000 square feet of livable accommodation. Set in a large plot, this wonderful home has to be seen to be appreciated. So follow me and I'll take you for a tour. You join me at the end of the tour in this amazing landscaped garden. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.